Hello everyone! Today we want to give you a few ideas to make sensory bags to work on fine motor skills with your little ones. And you can use them at home or in your classroom. We can also use these bags to work on many concepts such as letters, numbers, shapes. We hope you like them! Today we make sensory bags with Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon. For the first bag we need a Ziploc bag, baby oil, washi tape, a pom-pom, cardboard cut the size of your bag, and duct tape. With the washi tape we will make shapes to create a maze. Children can help you with this part if you want. The possibilities are endless. Psst, don't forget to leave a like. Thank you! Now we're going to fill the bag with baby oil. Until it is covered like this. Don't pour too much, otherwise it will be difficult to move the pom-pom. Stick it to the table, leaving room underneath. And put the maze under the bag. And now display! You can make all the mazes that you want. Children love them, they keep them very focused. For the next bag we need a bag, baby oil, cardboard, paper, markers, glue, buttons, and duct tape. Cut out numbers on a piece of paper and stick them to your cardboard. Don't forget to leave some room at the top for the top part of the bag. And now you can decorate the number any way you want. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel. This way we can keep on recording more videos. Fill the bag with baby oil as before. Add glitter if you want. And the buttons. Tape it to the table. And as we did before, insert the cardboard behind the bag with the number. You can make so many games, such as them having to put the buttons on top of the number, or the opposite, trying that the buttons don't touch the number. This will help them get used to the shapes that you use. You can do it with colors, with shapes, with letters, whatever you want. The next bag is a classic, but they'll love it. You'll need a bag, water, oil of any kind, and for dye. Dye some water the color you want. And we put it in the bag, without spilling it everywhere. And add the oil. To close it, leaving the air out, put the bag on the table and fold it slowly until you can close it. And that's it! They love this kind of bag, and it allows them to experiment with water and oil without getting dirty. You can make it with baby oil too, or try different colors. And for the last bag, you just need a bag, water beads, and a little extra water. All you have to do is put the water beads inside the bag and a few on the table so you don't lose the habit of always dropping things. Add water, take out the air, and that's it! This bag is also a classic, but oh how they like it! You can play at finding colors, or trying to crash them, and making shapes and having to guess them. Did you like the sensory bags? Send us a message on Instagram or Facebook if you make one and tell us how it went. See you soon!